Yes.
This is not a ticking box exercise.
Yes.
Ngipha wena imedia ukuthi abantu bayayithola feedback by the 27th of this month. Would expect the provincial commissioner's office, including that of the HOD, because ifaka ne civilian secretariat, to respond to all these issues ezibhale phansi. Nathi nami ngiwadeda amanotsi wami will be comparing nawabo. They must respond to each and every one. But before they do that, or as they do that, they must have spoken to the complainants, because it will be of no use ukuthi babhalele thina bathi siyenza kanje. Asifuni into i-response ezothi siyenza kanje, sifune i-response ethi sesenze 1 2 3, because there are so many low-lying issues, fruits that can be harvested. Just giving a feedback on a case that exists, and I will say these things. Where they are raising issues of alleged misconduct by the police, we'll expect management to also respond to that, to check if there is consequence management. So we are not here for a talk show. We are here, we mean business. And as I conclude, this is not the first of its kind. Sitalile with Bank, and I think we'll be seeing more of this wherever we go. As we go to the police stations, we will be meeting with the communities.